Welcome to our final program for the command line arguments section. We will now write a utility script that accepts an unknown number of integers as command line arguments and calculates their product. This combines something we've learned about sys.argv, iteration, and data type conversion. 1. Initialization and data access. We must first import the sys module. We initialize a variable product to 1, as multiplying by 0 would always result in 0. Next, we check if any arguments were provided, as our script must have input to work. Two, iteration and type conversion. This is the crucial step. We loop over the sys.argv list, starting from index 1. Remember, all command line arguments are received as strings. We must convert each argument to an integer using the int function before we can perform multiplication. Three, final result. After the loop completes, the product variable holds the result of multiplying all the input numbers. We print the final value to the console. To summarize, this program is an example about command line processing. You access arguments via sys.argv, loop over the data starting at index 1, and always remember to convert the arguments from strings to the required numeric type. This concludes our section on command line arguments. Our next section 12. Functions. Our next lecture 12, 01. Introduction. See you there.